IIT Roorkee has released the GATE 2025 application form online at the official website. Applicants can complete GATE registration 2025 at gate2025.iitr.ac.in. Candidates looking to admission to MTech courses can now fill GATE application form. The application process comprises registration filling form, uploading documents, and payment of fee. The first step is to complete the GATE registration using personal details. Before moving forward, let's have a look at the documents required to fill GATE application form. The documents required to complete registration are flashing on your screen. Now, let's have a look on step-by-step process to fill GATE application form. The first step is to complete the registration process using personal details. Applicants need to enter their complete name, email address, phone number, and other information at the time of registration. Candidates also need to create a login password at the time of GATE registration. Now, candidates need to log in using their registered email ID and password to fill form. In the next step, candidates need to fill their paper choice and exam center preference. The next step is to fill information like address, date of birth, valid ID proof number, nationality, and others. Candidates also need to fill their college details like name, PIN code, year of passing degree, and other details. After filling all the details, applicants need to upload the scanned images of photograph and signature as per the specification. Applicants also need to upload a valid photo ID proof PDF. The final step is to complete fee payment through online mode. The category-wise GATE application fees is flashing on your screen. Candidates are advised to keep hard copy of the filled application form and received after the submission of form for future reference. For more details about GATE application form, candidates can check the access of the important link from the description box below.